Hi, I'm Ellen.
And I'm Ruth.
And I'm James.
And we're the Chic to Chic Girls.
And I'm the Chic Guy.
The
Big
sale at both Chic to Chic locations is going on right now. 50% off the original price on all clothes and all shoes.
Only 2 times a year we do this, and so many good deals.
Yes, we went off the deep end and showed James what we have here.
We have a Chanel for 50% off.
And I never do that. We had 2. The other one sold. We still have this one left. It's going on right now for a limited time only. Some exclusions do apply. Stop down and visit us really soon.
ASAP, because it'll only be here for a few more days.
Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of the Chic to Chic Girls. Tune in every week for hot items of the week and fashion how-tos. But until next time,
Look great,
Save money.
go green
recycle,
and shop Chic to Chic.